Welcome everyone to the Soul Garden channel. If you're looking for a simple and safe tip to keep your anthuriums lush, healthy, and blooming vibrantly, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share a secret, an organic fertilizer recipe made from familiar kitchen ingredients. Easy to make, but with results that will surprise you. The exciting part is that this recipe isn't just magical for anthuriums. It's also suitable for many other flowering plants like lilies or phalaenopsis orchids. Whether it's foliage or flowering plants, you can apply this to nurture them for sustainable, safe, and vibrant growth. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. To begin, I prepare 1 onion, an ingredient that seems meant only for the kitchen but is actually a secret weapon for plant lovers. Onion peels are packed with flavonoids and sulfur compounds that help plants boost their resilience and naturally fight off bacteria and fungal diseases. Not only that, onion peels also contain potassium, phosphorus, and a bit of calcium, essential minerals that promote a healthy root system, lush green leaves, and, most importantly, stimulate the flowering process in anthuriums. As a result, the plant not only thrives, but also bursts into vibrant, long-lasting red blooms. For lilies and phalaenopsis orchids, the onion peel solution also helps maintain glossy leaves, healthy white roots, and longer-lasting flowers. Place all the onion peels into a clean glass jar, then add about 500 milliliters of boiling water. The boiling water will help extract the maximum nutrients from the peels, from potassium and phosphorus to natural antibacterial compounds. Seal the jar tightly and let it steep for about 2 hours. Then, strain to obtain the clear liquid, removing the residue to avoid clogging the growing medium or damaging the roots. Continue by diluting with 1.5 liters of clean, room temperature water. This dilution step helps the plant absorb nutrients more easily while preventing fertilizer shock due to high concentration. Method 1. I will use this solution to wipe the leaves. Using a soft cloth or clean cotton wool soaked in the onion peel solution, gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, paying special attention to the leaf crevices and petioles, the hot spots where dust accumulates and creates conditions for pests and diseases to develop. Wiping leaves is not just a simple care step, but a secret to keeping anthuriums clean, healthy, and full of vitality. Although anthurium leaves are naturally resilient and rarely diseased, dust buildup can reduce photosynthesis, slowing growth and making flowers less vibrant than desired. The special feature of the onion peel solution is its abundance of natural antioxidants, sulfur, and trace minerals like potassium, which provide gentle antibacterial properties and enhance leaf health. When wiped with this solution, anthurium leaves become glossy, lush green and photosynthesize more efficiently, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients better and produce vibrant, long-lasting blooms. This leaf wiping method is not only magical for anthuriums, but also highly effective for other indoor plants like lilies and phalaenopsis orchids. Maintain this leaf wiping habit 1 to 2 times a week, or depending on the plant's condition, to keep leaves clean and healthy, while boosting natural resilience, helping the plant grow steadily without the need for chemical pesticides. It's a small tip that makes a big difference for your green garden. Method 2. Next, I will pour the diluted onion peel solution into a dedicated watering can, then gently water evenly around the base of the Anthurium, ensuring the growing medium around the roots is uniformly moistened. Watering directly at the base is a method that allows the plant to absorb nutrients gradually through the roots, the main pathway for Anthuriums to grow healthy and stable. The natural minerals in onion peels, such as potassium and sulfur, stimulate stronger root development, enhance disease resistance, and help the plant adapt better to its surrounding environment. This watering method not only nourishes the root system, but also supports rapid recovery, preparing the plant for new shoots and vibrant blooms in the future. When watering, nutrients like sulfur, potassium, and antioxidants penetrate the roots, providing disinfection, preventing fungal diseases, and promoting healthier root growth. Not only for anthuriums or orchids, the onion peel solution is also highly effective for other indoor plants like lilies. For example, my lily, which was showing signs of weakness due to nutrient deficiency, will be watered around the base with this solution to absorb natural trace minerals and recover gradually in a sustainable way. This method is simple but delivers clear results, helping plants grow healthy, increase resilience, and maintain vibrant, long-lasting blooms. Method 3. The remaining onion peel solution I will pour into a spray bottle and mist evenly over the leaves of Anthuriums, lilies, and Phalaenopsis orchids. Misting with this solution not only cleans dust, but also delivers valuable trace nutrients directly through the leaf epidermis. The natural compounds in onion peels have mild antibacterial and antifungal properties, keeping Anthurium leaves healthy, glossy, and fresher. The fine mist from the solution keeps leaves hydrated, reduces tip burn and leaf scorching, and is especially useful during dry seasons or when the plant is recovering after flowering. Misting also enhances Anthurium leaf photosynthesis, helping the plant absorb energy and nutrients optimally, supporting healthy growth, glossy leaves, and longer-lasting, vibrant flower colors. Results. After applying this method, my Anthuriums seem to have put on a new outfit: lush, thick, and healthy glossy leaves with no signs of wilting or scorching. New roots have also started to emerge from the stem, seeking out the growing medium to absorb nutrients, helping the plant thrive. The most wonderful thing is that many Anthuriums are beginning to show new flower buds, signaling an upcoming season of vibrant, lively blooms. This is the clearest proof of the plant's healthy recovery and remarkable growth. Not only Anthuriums, but the Phalaenopsis orchids in the garden are also reviving strongly, with fresh, vibrant green leaves, a testament to the amazing effectiveness of the onion peel solution. When cared for regularly with this natural method, plants not only grow sustainably, but also store energy to produce fresh, large, and long-lasting blooms, becoming a lively highlight in your garden. Each flower is the result of your patience and love for plants, a wonderful gift from nature in return for your dedicated care. If you find this method helpful, please hit like, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Soul Garden channel to explore more simple yet highly effective gardening tips. Thank you for joining me on this loving gardening journey. See you in the next videos.